Every moment of every day we are being impacted by our health and our wealth. Two not very fun topics, right? But this past year we were forced to evaluate these same topics repeatedly. These conversations might be easier now that we understand our core values. A simple conversation can open you up to new possibilities and allow you to align these new priorities and build lifestyle habits. Are you ready for an open and safe conversation to talk about these new values? We can set you up for sustainable success. The question is, are you ready to gift yourself a stable future of health and wealth?